Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 13th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and I am on the 4-hour time frame. So on the US dollar Swiss, I still think this could be the end of a correction, and if it is, then this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and we're now in a wave 3, which that would make lower lows, lower highs. Now, if this goes right to one of these Fibonacci levels and then breaks structure to the upside, I would invalidate that analysis and start looking for longs again, but it definitely hasn't done that. So I am definitely looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I definitely would not be trying to go short right here. Definitely not. I would have to wait patiently for another three-way pullback in order to go short. So right now, my strategy is to either be looking for an exit for a short that you're potentially already in, or the strategy is to be patiently waiting for a three-way pullback to go short again for potentially the continuation of where I'm hoping is a wave 3 on the 4 hour to daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.